Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Coinbase account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you set up 2FA or two-factor authentication for your Coinbase account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to set up 2FA for your Coinbase account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that some customers require that they pay you in cryptocurrency. So maybe you've gathered a decent amount in your Coinbase, so you need to protect it. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Coinbase dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Coinbase and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to set up 2FA or two-factor authentication, here on the top right, you're going to click on your initial. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see a drop-down menu and you want to click here on this blue Manage Account button. All right, once you click there, you're going to see these 5 options here on the left and you want to click on Security. Once you click on Security, you'll see these 4 options at the top and you want to click on Two-Step Verification. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this drop-down menu. So you're going to see all of the different 2FA or two-factor authentication options for you. So you can see I have set up my Authenticator app and also my passkey. You can also do text message. That's not really that secure because these days people are duplicating your phone number. And there's these other methods. If you open this up, you can also add a security key and also add trusted content. Underneath each one of these, Coinbase lets you know which one is more secure. So as you can see, text message is the least secure, but if you have a physical security key, that is going to be the most secure. So all you're going to do is click on setup and then follow the instructions, depending on which one of these 2F you decide to go with. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to set up 2FA or two-factor authentication for your Coinbase account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.